the 1 teaspoon smoked paprika. Now I'm here to tell you, never just buy paprika. Always buy smoked paprika. Here's why. Regular paprika is just color. There's very, very little flavor to it. What's the point, right? Yes, it has some great color, but this has great color and it has flavor. You're going to find 2 varieties of smoked paprika, 1 or 2 varieties. If you find 2 varieties, the 2 varieties are going to be sweet smoked or hot smoked. Hot smokes means it's spicy, okay? Sweet smokes means it's not spicy. If they sell just 1 variety of smoked paprika and all it says on the jar is smoked paprika, it doesn't say sweet or it doesn't say hot, it's sweet smokes, means it's not spicy. So they will always label it as spicy, as hot smoked paprika, or if it doesn't say hot, then it's not, okay? Whether it says sweet or just says smoked paprika, it's not spicy at all. And what that's gonna do is give you incredible flavor. I mean, smell that.
Are you using hot or sweet?
I'm using sweet. I'm using sweet. Yeah, just regular smoked paprika, no spice in there. I have a 12-year-old that does not like any heat at all, 0. So yeah, you got it. You know what I'm talking about, right? So yeah, we got to make everybody happy, right? We're all about equality here at the Chef Dez family. So we're going to add our 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika.